In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips and tricks that are going to help your brand new S23 Ultra run so much better. And you're going to love your phone way more too. We are going to go through these as quickly as possible, so without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Starting off with number 1, which is swipe gestures. If you haven't already enabled this, quickly go into your settings. And don't forget, you can also open up settings at any time by swiping down and swiping down again and tapping the cog up here in the top right corner. But with that aside, open up your settings, and to save you a couple of clicks, just tap the search icon and start typing in navigation. Now you should see navigation type under the display tab. Go ahead and click on that and change it from buttons to swipe gestures. This is going to make the phone run so much easier to control. If you want to go back, you can swipe from either side of the screen, which is really nice. Number 2 is going to be enable the edge lighting around the phone. And a lot of people actually don't know where it is on the S23 Ultra, so I'm going to show you right now. Once again, go into your settings. Scroll down until you see the notifications. Tap on that, and after that, you're going to want to click on notification pop-up style. Now, by default, this is on detailed. You'll want to make sure it's on brief because that's the only way you get the option to use the edge lighting. After you put it on brief, you can go right into the edge lighting style and choose your edge lighting. I am using that beautiful glitter rainbow RGB effect because I think it looks really cool. Number 3 is going to be customizing the power button on the side. Now, if you are a fan of having Bixby come up when you hold the power button, then you can skip this one. But if you'd rather have the good old power off menu, then go into settings, scroll down and tap on advanced features. Then tap on the one that says side key. Here you can change the press and hold from Wake Bixby to power off menu. Now when you hold your power button, it's going to pop up that regular power off screen. Now number 4 is a big one in my opinion. This is probably my favorite change I've made to this phone since I got it. And it is the touch and hold delay. Basically the amount of time that you have to touch and hold the screen before it registers it as a hold. Now, in order to change this and make it quicker, you're going to want to launch settings. And again, in order to save us some clicks and some scrolling, you're just going to want to go up here and type in touch. And you should see it pop up right here up under accessibility. Go ahead and click on touch and hold delay, and you can see it pops up right here. Now here you can change it from a variety of options, or you can actually do custom, and you can go in here and you can actually custom make how long you're going to have to hold the screen until it registers as a hold. So you can do this as fast as, you could probably do it as fast as 0.1 second. So basically a tap if you want to register that as a hold, which I don't know why you would, but you can do that. I have mine set for 0.2 because it's not like a tap, but it's almost as fast as a tap. You just hold it just a little bit longer and it's automatically considered a hold. Saves me a lot of time. Number 5 has to do with developer options. Now take note, if your phone has to restart or if it powers off, you will have to go back in and re-enable it, but it is worth it to me because it makes your phone feel much snappier. And this is making all animations happen twice as fast. To do this, we're first going to need to enable developer options. So open up settings. You're going to want to scroll all the way down until you see About Phone. Right here where it says software information, you're going to want to click this. And after you do that, you're going to see right here where it says build number. You're going to want to tap this. I think it's like 7 or 8 times. It'll pop up right here how many times you have to tap it. But you basically just repeatedly tap it. And then it's going to pop up a prompt for you to enter your passcode or your pattern. And after you do that, developer mode will be enabled. Once you enable developer options, it's going to be in your settings. all the way at the bottom of settings. So developer options right here. Now, in order to save ourselves a lot of scrolling once again, you're just going to want to come up here, tap the search, and start typing in transition animations. You should see right here, it's going to say transition animation scale. Click that and it's going to take you all the way down. The three we are looking for are window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. You're going to want to tap on each of these three and change the animation scale to, ideally, I put mine at 0.5, but you can also turn them off if that's something that you want to do. After you do that, you're going to notice the animations run way faster. If you've been using the phone for quite a bit, you're going to be able to tell quite a bit of a difference in the animation speed. If you got anything out of this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out and I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.